Today we're checking out the news of the Xbox VR headset, except also it's not. So this is actually a collaboration with Meta, and they've released the Meta Quest 3S Xbox Edition. Now you might initially think this is going to be a competitor to Sony's VR headset for the PlayStation, which allows you to play PlayStation games on your console. But that is not what this is, as it's supposed to be that you sign up for Game Pass Ultimate, pay for that monthly, you get 3 months with the actual headset itself, and then one of the perks of Game Pass Ultimate is that you can do cloud gaming. This means you can put your VR headset on, have a virtual screen that could be massive in front of you, and then play your Xbox games on your Meta headset. But also it can do everything else a Meta headset can do, so it can play games locally, as the Meta Store allows you to download stuff. You can also play games from your PC as well. And the big difference, of course, is that the Meta games are VR games. The stuff you can play on the PC can be just 2D games or they can be VR. But with the Xbox, they're only 2D games, just putting a virtual screen up to play. So it's a very interesting setup, but I do love how this thing looks. Because Meta headsets these days are, of course, white, but this one is limited edition black. And it also comes with black controllers, comes with an Xbox wireless controller as well, and it comes with 3 months of Game Pass Ultimate. So this thing is really cool, I think, to look at. And I wish I could give it a go because it absolutely looks gorgeous. And it'd be certainly interesting to see what the VR experience is like for playing your 2D games on a virtual screen while all that is being streamed over Game Pass Ultimate to your headset. So yeah, I'd love to give it all a go. And I'm also not entirely sure who the target audience is with this VR headset. I assume it's the people who don't want to buy an actual console and want to just pay for Game Pass Ultimate. They probably then don't want to buy a new monitor. They can basically play wherever they want as long as they have a good Wi-Fi connection. They also don't need to buy a big TV and they don't have to buy a console as well. So does that work out as a decent deal at the end of the day? Let me know what you think of this Xbox VR headset.